And the race is on. Big time bunging from the outside. Buena Soap. Sunday Street. Down on the inside is Holy King. Big time bunging. Holy King. King's Crown alongside Buena Soap. Modern Classic racing in the middle. Yotero down on the inside. Sunday Street. Mogul. And Honestly is running at the tail of the field. Holy King. Big time bunging. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Holy King by a length and a half, big time bunging. King's Crown down on the inside, Buena Soap. Yotero is racing in fifth by some 2 lengths. Sunday Street, Mogul, Modern Classic, and Honestly is still running at the tail of the field. World King towards the back. Holy King, Buena Soap, King's Crown. Rushing up Sunday Street, big time bunging, and moving up by the Yotero alongside Mogul. Modern Classic still running second last, and Honestly is still running at the back of the pack. Holy King, Buena Soap, King's Crown. It's still Holy King by a length and a half. Buena Soap, King's Crown is running by the Mogul. Sunday Street, Yotero moving up by the and here comes Modern Classic. Last 450, Holy King is still hanging to that half-length lead, followed by King's Crown by the Buena Soap, Mogul, Yotero, Modern Classic. Last 250 meters more to run. Holy King, this time by some 2 lengths now. Mogul is running in second. King's Crown, Yotero, Buena Soap, Modern Classic, Honestly, big time bunging, and Sunday Street. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Holy King, Mogul, King's Crown, Yotero, Modern Classic for your Fenta. Then comes Buena Soap. Honestly, big time bunging, Sunday Street comes last.